This is the Norstar DCB Dump Trailer lineup, delivering real strength and everyday performance for general duty hauling at a price that just can't be beat. Let's start with the DCB 5x10 single axle. It's built on a 2x4 tube frame and equipped with a 3,500-pound axle and a 3x6 pushram cylinder, a compact, lightweight option for everyday hauling. Next is the DCB 5x10 tandem axle. You get the same 5x10 bed size and 2x4 tube frame, but with dual 3,500-pound axles for added stability and capacity. From there, the lineup moves to the DCB 6x12. This model steps up to a heavier 2x6 tube frame, transitions from a pushram cylinder to a scissor hoist, and adds dual 5,200-pound axles, delivering greater stability and durability as loads increase. Need more room? The DCB 7x14 adds extra bed length and moves into 7,000-pound axles while remaining on the heavy-duty 2x6 tube frame. At the top of the lineup, the DCB 7x16 delivers the most bed space in the series. It's built on a 2x6 tube frame and equipped with 7,000-pound axles for maximum capacity and everyday job site use. No matter which DCB you choose, every model is built on the same dependable foundation. 10-gauge steel beds provide durability you can count on. Every DCB comes standard with 20-inch 12-gauge steel sides, with the option to add 2x6 board caps for a total side height of 26 inches. Under-frame bed runners support the floor from front to back, helping reduce warping over time and maintain long-term strength. A standard tarp kit helps keep loads secure and job sites clean. Every DCB also comes equipped with practical, work-ready features, including an adjustable coupler designed for a secure fit, barn doors for versatile dumping and hauling, a spare tire mount, and slide-in ramps, so you're ready to work from day one without adding extras. For those who want to customize their trailer even further, the DCB lineup offers a range of bolt-on options. Bolt-on accessories include a 10-ply spare tire, rear stabilizer jacks, hydraulic jacks, wireless remotes, and solar chargers, allowing you to tailor the trailer to your specific needs. If you're looking for the most affordable way into a dependable dump trailer, the Norstar DCB lineup delivers. For more information, visit norstarcompany.com.